So in this video, I'm gonna replace the rubbers of my window on the 1988 Suzuki Samurai or SJ413. Now, I'll demonstrate. First of all, this knob keeps breaking off or falling off, but it's very difficult to open the window and also to close it again, and I'll show you why. If you look at the rubber here, it's completely falling apart and disintegrating. So the first step is to remove the door cards so we can see inside, because we're going to have to remove the glass. So this pin was a bit difficult to get out because this plastic is in the way and it's already damaged, and I don't really want to break it all the way, but now it just pops off. So I used a piece of lanyard string. And now what is for me the scariest bit is to remove this door card, because I don't want to break any of the clips. It comes out easily with the right tools. I can just feel, I can see where it is. So it's actually not that bad. These are nice clips with little balls at the ends. Ta-da! Now the window glass needs to come out. Apparently this just lifts up. I think it just pulls out. And it does. But we first have to remove this. Yes, it's really nice to know no one's been in here before. It's kind of sad to rip this out. I'm going to try to preserve it, but it's awesome to see that no one's been in here. So I think I'm just going to let this plastic hang here, then I can just lift it up. So now we need to remove the glass. I think it's these two. It's really stuck. Sheesh. Nope, I think there might be some galvanic corrosion in there, so I'm just going to spray it with some WD-40 and then leave it. And I think the light's also getting a bit dark, so then tomorrow we'll finish this. Don't want to strip these screws, so I'm going to leave it for now and try tomorrow. I can't show you really, but if you look in there, you'll see some light shining through the drain holes. So they are actually open and pretty clean. So that's really good news. It means it's not started rusting from the inside yet, which I've seen on so many cars that I've owned in the past. So let it stand overnight with the WD-40 on there. Also have a bigger screwdriver, so let's see. And I really don't want to drill it out. Okay, got the one moving. Let's see if I put my back into it. There we go. It worked. I think there's another strip that I need to remove. That's scary. Anyways, it's out. So now it's just prying the old rubbers out and then popping the new ones in. Okay, so I hope this was the problem, that the window won't wind up and down easily. I'm pretty sure it had to play some role at least, but anyways, it was time to replace this junk. So I have to go back to the work. I'll come back a little bit later and we'll pop the new rubbers in and then hopefully fit everything back, put some baby powder in there, and hopefully that'll be smooth up and down. I also have new window winders to go on there. So one thing I've learned is to not try to do a job in one go. So last night I tried until I got stuck with the screws that wouldn't come out. So I went to bed and I sprayed it with WD-40. This morning I tried a bigger screwdriver, put some muscle into it, and I got it done. And now I'm just going to take a break, and yeah, I think that's much better than trying to rush it, and because then I also swear a whole lot more, which I can't show on this channel. Okay, so I let this lay in the sun for a bit, and now we're going to try to fit it. And there's, you won't see it on the video, but there's tiny slits here and different spots. Now this one goes into this corner, and then there's a whole lot of them right there for this bend, and then more for there at the bottom. So I think I'm just going to start here at the top. The channels are actually pretty clean. I thought I might have to clean them, but they look pretty clean. It's quite tricky in there, but it's possible. I just hope the window glides when I put it in. Apparently you now need to put the window in and then tighten it and leave it like that for a day or two for the rubbers to set. Okay, now we're gonna slip the glass back in, and hopefully the mechanism is not the one that's binding. I'm hoping for a smooth open and close. But anyways, let's have a look. Where do I put the screws? Okay, found the screws, I dropped them. Now to align this mechanism with the glass. Man, use a big screwdriver, not a small one. Because these JIS screws, easy to strip with the wrong one. Okay, it already feels better. I'm gonna baby powder it and then close it and leave it like that. But first, lunch. Okay, I'm gonna puff some baby powder in the channels to make it run smoothly. Hopefully not too much. I don't know how you get it in there. Maybe open the bottle. Whew, that's a bit much maybe. That's more than enough, I think. I think that's fine. Let's see. And then this just clicks back in. So the door card is back on. everything screwed up, and now the last step is to fit a new window winder. So it's grey, unfortunately. Looks a bit crap compared to the original, but it was cheap and it is in one piece, so let's fit that. This bit doesn't look great, but that is a whole lot easier. Wow. The question now is, will it last? Thank you for watching. That is how I replaced these old rubbers on my Suzuki SJ413. Stay tuned for some more upgrades and fixes as we dig into it. Cheers.